Let me show you how to make teal and orange color grading effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, convert this layer to Smart Object. Go to Filter, and open your Camera Raw filter. Open the Basic tab. I'll make the temperature -5, the contrast +25, the highlights -35, the shadows +25, the blacks -35, the clarity +15, and the vibrance +35. Open the curve, then select the point curve. Adjust the black point. I'll make input 25, and the output 25. Open the optics. Make the vignette -55. Open the calibration. From red primary, make the hue +55, and the saturation -55. From the green primary, make the hue +55. And from the blue primary, make the hue -55. And the saturation +100. Then click OK. And that's it. Hope you liked it.